Hi everyone. In this video, we're going to learn how to create a T-Spline box in Autodesk Fusion 360. This is one of the most important tools when working with organic shapes or surface modeling. Let's get started. First, go to the Design workspace and enter the form environment. Then click Create Box. The box dialog will appear. In the dialog, choose how you want to define the base rectangle. Center, select a center point and drag to one corner. 2 point, select two opposite corners. Choose whichever method you prefer. Click any plane or planar face where you want to place your box. Now draw a rectangle on the selected plane. You'll immediately see a preview of the T-Spline box appearing in the canvas. You can define the length, width, and height in two ways. Drag the manipulator arrows directly in the canvas. Or enter exact values in the dialog. This is important for shaping later. Specify the number of faces in each direction. Length faces. Width faces. Height faces. More faces give you more control when sculpting the shape. Decide how the box grows from the starting plane. One side extends in only one direction. Symmetric extends equally in both directions. If you want mirrored edits, turn on mirror symmetry. You can choose to mirror along x-axis, length symmetry, z-axis, width symmetry, y-axis, height symmetry. Click OK, and your T-Spline box is ready to use. You can now start sculpting and shaping your form. Up next, we'll learn how to modify T-Spline bodies using the Edit Form tool. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel.